Great grind day, great grind day. This is your daily grind. Just got back into Atlanta for a couple of days before I head to Alabama. Just want to ask a question today, though. Um, what are some of the small problems that you need to repair? So I know last week I had a slow leak in my tire in the car, and it's been there for a minute. I'm talking about for a minute, and I never gotten it repaired. And one day I walked out the house and I had a completely flat tire. And it's because I never took time to replace or repair the small things. It turned into a big problem. It took me a little bit to get the tire fixed, made me late for an appointment I was going to. And so I just want to remind everybody, repair the small things before they become big things. Take care of those small problems before you start to have big problems. And you find yourself fixing a flat tire that you should have never had in the first place. So my challenge question for you today is, where in your life do you need to repair some small problems that are still small right now? Y'all have a great grind day. We talk soon.